5 best dropshipping suppliers in Bangalore, Bangalore, also known as the Silicon Valley of India, is a booming hub for e-commerce and startups. If you're looking to start or scale your dropshipping business in India, sourcing from Bangalore-based suppliers can provide you with faster delivery, lower costs, and high-quality products. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Bangalore to help you build a thriving online store. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Bangalore. Whether you're targeting fashion, electronics, home goods, or specialty niches, these suppliers will provide you with reliable products and excellent service to grow your dropshipping business. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss out on our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and strategies. Let's jump right in. At number 5, BAP Store. Kicking off our list at number 5 is BAP Store, a Bangalore-based platform that simplifies dropshipping for Indian sellers. What they offer: BAP Store provides a variety of products, including clothing, electronics, beauty products, and home goods. Why they're great for dropshipping: their ready-made dropshipping website solutions make it easy for beginners to get started quickly. Local advantage: with operations in Bangalore, BAP Store ensures faster delivery within India and helps you stay competitive. If you're just starting out and want a simple, all-in-one solution, BAP Store is a great platform to consider. At number 4, Trade India. Coming in at number 4 is Trade India, a B2B marketplace connecting Indian businesses with reliable suppliers. What they offer: Trade India features a diverse catalog, including apparel, electronics, home decor, and wellness products. Why they're popular: their extensive supplier network makes it easy to find local manufacturers and wholesalers in Bangalore. Shipping advantage: sourcing locally from Bangalore suppliers reduces delivery times and shipping costs for Indian customers. If you're looking to partner directly with manufacturers in Bangalore, Trade India is a reliable platform to explore. At number 3, GlowRoad. Next up at number 3 is GlowRoad, one of India's top dropshipping platforms. What they offer: GlowRoad provides a variety of high-demand products, including fashion, beauty, electronics, and home goods. Why it's great for dropshipping: the platform integrates easily with Shopify, making it simple to add products to your store and automate order fulfillment. Local advantage: their operations in Bangalore ensure faster shipping to customers across India. If you're targeting Indian markets and want a reliable dropshipping solution, GlowRoad is a must-try supplier. At number 2, Meesho. Coming in at number 2 is Meesho, a leading dropshipping and reselling platform in India. What they offer: Meesho specializes in clothing, accessories, home goods, and beauty products at highly competitive prices. Why they're great for dropshipping: their user-friendly app and streamlined processes make it easy to source and sell products without holding inventory. Shipping advantage: with strong logistics networks in Bangalore, Meesho ensures fast and reliable deliveries to your customers. If you're looking for a platform with affordable products and easy-to-use features, Meesho is a fantastic choice for dropshipping in India. At number 1, Udaan. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Udaan, a leading B2B platform based in Bangalore. What they offer: Udaan offers a massive catalog of products, including electronics, apparel, home decor, and FMCG items. Why they're the best: their focus on connecting businesses with manufacturers and wholesalers ensures better pricing and product quality. Local advantage: as a Bangalore-based platform, Udaan provides excellent logistics support and fast shipping within India. If you're serious about scaling your dropshipping business in India, Udaan is the ultimate supplier to partner with. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Bangalore. Let's quickly recap the list. Udaan, Best overall for its extensive product catalog and reliable logistics. Meesho, perfect for affordable and easy-to-use dropshipping solutions. Glowroad, ideal for seamless integration and fast shipping within India. Trade India, great for connecting with local manufacturers and wholesalers. Store, a beginner-friendly platform with ready-made dropshipping solutions. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business in Bangalore? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.